Hey everyone, welcome to DataVub. In this video, we're going to learn the basics of HTML, what it is, how it works, and some of the most common tags you'll use to build a web page. This is perfect for beginners, so let's get started. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's a language used to structure content on the web. Think of it as the foundation of a web page. It organizes the text, images, videos, and links that you see in your browser. To get started, you'll need a text editor. I'm using VS Code, but you can use any editor you like. Save your file with the .html extension. For example, let's create a file called index.html. Now let's write some basic HTML. This is the basic structure of an HTML document. Every HTML document follows a simple structure. Let's break it down. At the top, we have doctype HTML. This tells the browser that we're using HTML5. The HTML tag wraps everything. Inside it, there is the head section, which contains meta information like the title of the page, and the body section, which contains the content that will appear on the page. The HTML tag is the root of the HTML document. It wraps everything on the page. Everything you write for your web page will go inside the HTML tag. The head tag is where you put information about your web page. For example, the title of the page, which appears in the Browser tab, is defined here. Let's see an example. When you open this file in the browser, you'll see the title My Web Page in the Browser tab. The head section is also where you can link style sheets or add metadata, but we'll keep it simple for now. Now, the body tag contains all the content that appears on the web page: text, images, videos, and more. Let's try adding a paragraph inside the body tag. When you run this, you'll see the text appear on the page. Everything visible to the user goes inside the body tag. HTML provides 6 levels of headings, from H1 to H6. Let's write an example of each. When you run this, you'll see that H1 is the largest heading and H6 is the smallest. Use these to structure your content logically. The P tag is used for paragraphs. It's a simple way to add a block of text to your page. Here's an example. Run this and you'll see the text displayed as a paragraph with some space around it. To make text bold, we use strong tag. To italicize text, we use the EM tag. Here's an example of both. Run this, you'll see bold and italicized text. These tags are often used to emphasize important parts of your content. The block quote tag is used for quoting large sections of text. Let's see how it works. When you run this, you'll see the text indented, making it clear that it is a quotation. The A tag is used to create links. The href attribute specifies the URL. Let's try it. When you click in this link, it will take you to google.com. So we put the text that we want to show in the middle, and after the href attribute, we put the link that we want to go to when someone clicks on that text. Now, to create lists, we use UL for unordered list and OL for ordered lists. Each item is wrapped in an LI tag. Here's an example. So we have a UL tag that stands for unordered lists, and OL, which is for ordered list, and inside them we have LI tagged, and each of them is like an item in that list. When you run this, you'll see a bulleted list and a numbered list. So this is what I mean by unordered and ordered, is a number or bulleted list. Now, the image tag, the img tag, is used to display images. You'll need the source attribute for the image path and alt attribute for accessibility. So we have a img tag. In the source, we put the link of the image or the path, like where should we find that image. And the alt is like text that when the image isn't loaded, it will be shown to the user. So it's like the alternative to the image. And we have width and height attributes that obviously are the dimensions of the size of the image. When you run this, the image will appear with the specified width and height. To embed videos, use the video tag, and for audio, use the audio tag. Let's see an example of each. So we write controls here, and here we also have source and type. For audio is the same. Run these and you'll see a video player and an audio player. Okay, so that's the basic of HTML. We covered the structure of an HTML document and learned about common tags like headings, paragraphs, links, images, and more. These are the building blocks of any web page. Practice using these tags and you'll be on your way to creating your own websites. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. See you next time.